Learn English to Gujarati numbers, 30 to 100 with
3s.
2.
So.
Hello, number hero. Hey, you are about to train your brain with big friendly numbers in Gujarati. Do not worry, nobody will throw a math textbook at you unless it has exactly
So.
pages. Today you will learn 8 useful number words in Gujarati. 30 is
3s.
40 is
40.
50 is
50.
60 is
60.
70 is
70.
80 is
80.
90 is
90.
and 100 is.
So.
Say them once with confidence, even if your cat judges your pronunciation. Meet the number gang. Let us meet the numbers like they are characters entering a comedy movie. Imagine each one walking in with dramatic music. First comes 30.
3s.
It sounds neat and quick. Imagine 30 balloons floating by and one balloon proudly yelling, "I am not 29, I am."
3s.
Exclamation mark single quote. Then comes 40.
40.
Picture a parrot at a party shouting,
40.
no matter what anyone asks. Favorite fruit?
40.
Favorite movie? Also.
40.
Next is 50.
50.
This one feels important, like the midpoint on a bridge to 100. A shopkeeper counts candies and smiles.
50.
60 is
60.
think of a clock. 1 minute has
60.
seconds. Very useful, very classy, very punctual. 70 is
70.
a silly memory trick. It sounds a bit like, sit there. So imagine 70 chairs screaming, sit there. Sit there.
70.
Exclamation mark single quote. 80 is
80.
imagine a scoreboard flipping to
80.
and the crowd cheers like someone just won free snacks. 90 is
90.
this is the hilltop before 100. A runner reaches kilometer
90.
and says, I am close, but I still want juice. And finally, 100 is
So.
short, powerful, and satisfying. Like finishing a game with a perfect score.
So.
Tiny story at the market. Now you will hear a mini story. Just relax and notice the numbers as they appear. You walk into a busy market in Gujarat with a brave wallet and dangerous confidence. The fruit seller smiles and says he has
3s.
apples,
40.
mangoes, and
50.
bananas. The flower seller nearby claims she sold
60.
roses before lunch. A very dramatic uncle points at a huge basket and announces there are
70.
oranges in it, although nobody asked. Then a child runs by shouting that his grandfather is
80.
years old and still bargains better than everyone. At the tea stall, the owner says, if I sell
90.
cups today, I celebrate. By evening, the whole market cheers because one shop finally sells
So.
sweets. You do not buy all of them, because you enjoy being alive. Repeat after me. Your turn now. Repeat slowly, then again with more confidence, like a superstar of sensible counting. 30.
3s.
40.
40.
50.
50.
60.
60.
70.
70.
80.
80.
90.
90.
100.
So.
Useful sentences. Let us put the numbers into simple real-life sentences. This is where they stop being random and start paying rent in your memory. I have 30 books. In Gujarati, I have
3s.
books. The class has 40 students. In Gujarati, the class has
40.
students. There are 50 chairs in the hall. In Gujarati, there are
50.
chairs in the hall. 1 minute has 60 seconds. In Gujarati, the key number is
60.
My grandfather is 70 years old. The key Gujarati number is
70.
The book costs 80 rupees. The key Gujarati number is
80.
The score reached 90. The Gujarati word is
90.
I counted to 100. In Gujarati, that number is
100.
speedy number ladder. Now climb the ladder with me. Try to say the Gujarati word before I do. 30,
30.
40,
40.
50,
50.
60,
60.
70,
70.
80,
80.
90,
90.
100.
100.
Mini quiz, no panic. Time for a quick quiz. No grades, no pressure, and absolutely no principal standing behind you. What is the Gujarati word for 30?
30.
What is the Gujarati word for 40?
40.
What is the Gujarati word for 50?
50.
What is the Gujarati word for 60?
60.
What is the Gujarati word for 70?
70.
What is the Gujarati word for 80?
80.
What is the Gujarati word for 90?
90.
What is the Gujarati word for 100?
100.
Memory tricks that behave badly. Here are some funny memory hooks. They are weird on purpose because normal things are terrible at staying in your brain. 4.
3.
Hear a little echo of 3 and remember 30. 4.
40.
Imagine a challenge to count to 40 without getting distracted by snacks. 4.
50.
Think of a pack of 50 candies that mysteriously vanishes. 4.
60.
Remember a clock and its 60 seconds. 4.
70.
Think, sit there, and picture 70 chairs bossing you around. 4.
80.
Imagine an 80-point score and a victory dance nobody asked for. 4.
90.
Think, near 100, because 90 is almost there. 4.
100.
Think, so many, because 100 is a lot unless you are counting grains of rice. Friendly conclusion. You did it. You just met 8 strong Gujarati number words and survived the jokes. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing 30,
30.
40,
40.
50,
50.
60,
60.
70,
70.
80,
80.
90,
90.
and 100.
100.
Out loud during the day. Use them when you count steps, books, coins, or imaginary parrots. You are making real progress, so come back, practice again, and let your Gujarati grow one number at a time.